Hi, in this video, I am talking about a feature called pessimistic locking or auto file lock in rational team concept. The plan item for this feature is in Jazz.net. Currently, RTC provides a way to acquire and release locks on files. Once the lock is acquired on any file, any other user who wishes to update the same file will be blocked if they try to deliver the changes. The second user has to wait for the first user to release the lock on the file and later merge the changes before delivery. The problem with this approach is that the second user is not notified about the lock held on the file by other user early enough and will only know when he tries to deliver the changes. Problem becomes severe when certain types of files cannot be merged, resulting in waste of time and effort. With the pessimistic or auto-locking of files in place, the second user is immediately notified of a lock held by other user when he or she tries to modify the file. Now let us see the workflow of this feature. I have logged into my Rational Team Concert server and I have created a stream on my project area. Let me open the stream. Scrolling below, we'll see a field to enter the file name patterns separated by commas for files that should be automatically locked when edited. For the demo purpose, I have chosen simple file name patterns, and the stream administrator has to identify the file patterns at the stream level. Any workspace that has this stream as its flow target, when being loaded, will make all the files matching these patterns loaded as read-only. I have a workspace created out of this stream. Let me load it. The files in the workspace matching the pattern set in the stream are loaded as read-only. Let me try to modify one such file. As it's loaded as read-only and the pattern of this file is matching the pattern set on the stream, it is asking me to lock this file before continuing to edit. I can choose to lock the file so that no other user can modify and deliver this file, or I can choose not to lock the file and edit still so that even the other users can edit the file and deliver the file parallelly. Let me choose to lock the file and modify it. You will see this in the pending changes view that the file is locked by me and is modified. Let me try to check in the file. Now let me try to suspend the change set and see what happens to the locks. It is prompting me to unlock the file so that other users can modify it. I can choose yes, or I can even choose no if I still want to modify it once I resume the change set. The details section shows the files which will be unlocked if I say yes. Let me choose yes and unlock the files. The lock is gone. Let me try to resume this change set. While resuming, it's prompting me to lock the files before editing as the file in the change set matches the pattern set in the stream. And again, the details section shows the locks to acquire. I can even choose no so that I need not lock the file and I can still edit on it. Let me choose yes now so that the file will be locked and try to deliver this change set. Again, while delivering, it is asking me to unlock the items so that other users can deliver. Let me choose yes. So the locks are released on the file. If we try to modify the file again, it is again asking me to lock the file. Let me lock it. If I choose to undo the operation or if I discard the change set, it will again ask me to release the locks before I perform those operations. I can choose yes or no. Let me choose yes so that the locks are released. Now, what happens to the files which are locked by other users? Can I hijack those files and modify it? I have one such file here which is locked by Alan. Let me try to modify the file. As this file again matches the pattern set in the string, it is asking me to lock the file before editing. Let me try to lock. Now it throws an error saying it's been locked by some other user. Do you want to continue with your edit? I can still say OK and continue editing this file, but I cannot deliver this file unless the other user releases the locks on this file. The delivery would fail, but I can still modify the file and I am notified that this resource is locked by some other user. All these operations prompting me to release or acquire locks can be set in the preference as well to prompt before locking read-only files. And I can even, while delivering, I can even choose the default action to hold the locks or to release the lock. And for suspend, again, hold the locks, release the locks, or I can choose it to prompt me. So these preferences can be set from the preferences dialog, Jazz source control, and notification dialog. This feature is available in other clients as well, CLI and Microsoft Visual Studio as well. Thank you for watching.